been dreaming about this since you were a little kid. Your own personal air transportation. Passenger drone, taking autonomous to the sky. Input your destination on the touch screen and passenger drone takes you where you want to go. Safely, quickly, and in comfort. Traffic jams, done. Driving stress, done. Wasting time, done. The two-seater passenger drone's high-performance electric motors run quietly and smoothly for a relaxed ride with a spectacular bird's-eye view. The passenger drone is engineered for safety and designed for comfort. The dreamers at Passenger Drone are highly motivated engineers, programmers, and designers who put their passion and the latest technology into this flying machine. It's completely autonomous. The easy-to-use touchscreen gets you into the air and on your way in minutes. Hands-free, worry-free. 16 individually powered rotors provide incredible stability and safety. The sleek and strong carbon fiber cabin is your personal cockpit. Slide easily into your ergonomically designed seat and enjoy the ride. Passenger drone, taking autonomous to the sky. You knew it was coming.